Let's see. Sort. Lowest first. Okay, maybe I should buy the Odin Sphere. Best one is $50 on eBay.
Are you buying physical copies?
Oh, that's the only way I buy my guy.
I respect it.
How bad do I want this game?
You don't.
Is it $40 worth?
What game is it?
It's called Odin Sphere. I'm pretty sure you haven't heard of it.
Gotta be worth that much.
I think it's a good price, but if they like remaster it again or something, then I'm screwed. This is like a pinball machine over here.
It really is.
That's why I can't buy skins in games, Zach. I spend too much money on physical games.
Dang.
Shit, should I just buy it and then return it if I change my mind?
Exactly, bro. Especially now that you've got that streamer money coming in.
That's true. I should be more cautious with cash right now, shouldn't I?
Oh, dog. That was the opposite of what I was saying.
You almost talked
There's a
me out
store
of
up
it. I mean, it is a good deal, and it's something I've had my eye on for a while.
Then scoop it, dog.
And there's only one left, which is making me want to do it even more.
Yep. Scoop.
Free shipping. Screw it, I just did it.
Scoop.
Hey yo!
Shit, what am I doing?
Bro, that
I
was
am.
so sick that you did that.
It was brand new, right?
It only has a few minor scratches.
The disc, although on paper doesn't look playable, it is actually.
Probably double check my order after this game. Make sure I got the right thing. Oh, much action. There's a
Blue
froggy
chest?
flanking me. No! They just smoked me. You got this, big dog. I've never had any doubt about it. This guy was trying to execute me, and I just used a jump pad to break the execute.
Oh, are you making your way downtown?
Not anymore. They got me now.
Well, your boy is going to make it.
Cool.
If these guys don't just camp it, which they might.
Cool.
Should we kill this giant globule?
I would love. It drops like a usable item that like turns you into that giant globule.
The like.
Oh, I don't think he's even spawned yet.
No, he's right here above us.
I'm actually gonna pick up some items real quick, so I'll be back. Pop a mic in the building over here. Okay, 2 of them spawn after this, and then we're good. Okay.
Slime jump.
So, slime dash. Press M1. Woo! Oh, action? You want to engage?
Nice.
Get wrecked.
Oh.
Let's go!
Let's go. Dang, these boys were kidding.
They weren't ready for that though. That was the dynamic duo.
That was crazy, bro.